This is Pepper's creation. We are continuing this episode. In this part of this episode, this is what we are going to learn. The handles, the short one and the long one. Let's get started. This is our fishing line. The size is 0.35. Our sea bead, the gold color and the cream color. This is our pair of scissors. We are starting. Just make sure you have enough of the fishing line. First of all, you need 4 beads when you are starting each bead threading. You are coming to thread the beads. We need 4. 1, 2, 3. The 4th bead we are going to cross thread. That is, we are crossing the thread in between the hole. So the right thread passes through to the right side and the right thread passes through to the left side. So this is what you get. The next thing, we are picking 3 beads, 2 cream, 1 gold. We want the gold beads to line on one side. It will go round the cream bead, leaving the cream in the middle. So the gold bead will come on your right. That's the right thread. 1. The cream goes on your left thread. 2. The 3rd bead we are going to cross thread. We are going to repeat the whole process. That's the 3 3. So 2 cream, 1 gold. Always remember that the gold has to go on the right thread. The cream, you pick the 2, 1 on the left thread, the 3rd one we cross thread. You see, we are repeating the same process. 2 cream, 1 gold. Doesn't matter which one you do first. That's the cream going on the left or the gold going on the right. We repeat the process till we get our desired length. So when you get to the desired length and you want to turn, you are going to pick 2 of the gold bead, 1 cream. So on the left thread, on the right thread, we put one gold bead, another number 2 of the gold bead, then the third bead, which is the cream one, we are going to cross thread so this is how it looks. Then you will pick another 2 gold bead, 1 cream. So you see that the thread, one is pointing towards you, one is pointing to the other direction, opposites. So we call this the outer thread and this is the inner thread. That's when you turn, that's how the thread is going to look. That's the direction of the thread. So the gold bead will go on the outer thread. 1, 2. Then the cream bead, you add it. At this time round, we'll cross thread in the cream bead. See, the direction of the thread is going to change again. This is how it's going to be. At this point, the thread pointing to your right, that's your right hand, one is pointing to your left. So the one pointing to your right will pass through the inner cream bead. That's the immediate bead to the one which the thread has crossed through. This is it. This inner cream bead. You pass the thread through it. So this is what it's going to be. So this time around we are using 2 beads. So just 1 cream and gold. 1 cream, 1 gold. So the gold bead goes first in the outer thread, or the thread that is pointing to the left direction. 1. Then you cross thread in the cream bead. You would cross thread in the cream bead. When I say you are crossing the thread, by now you know what I'm referring to. Do you get it? Yes. Then the inner thread will pass through the immediate bead. Then we are repeating the process. 1 gold, 1 cream. The gold one goes first in the outer thread. Then the second bead, you pick it. Then we cross thread. We are repeating the process over and over till we get to the end, where I will show you how to close it. So if you see, we are almost ending, and this time we want the gold bead to go round the cream bead. So this time we are going to pick 2 of the gold bead. 2. And this is our final work. This is the desired length. So we are making 2 of this. This is a short one. So at this point, we are going to make a knot so that our bead will not be coming off when we cut the excess stretch. So we just put this in the bead. The other one goes into this. Then we cut the excess stretch. These are desired lengths for the short